Because some of these, like citrus, will only produce on old wood. You know, the stems have to be there a couple years, and then you'll start getting some die out in the middle, where the fruit trees, it only produces on the new growth.
Right. And it's kind of like apple trees, it's kind of like that new growth. It's going to have it's the second year kind of growth and kind of stuff. And so it's the new stuff that's going to have the bloom on it. But it's coming off of a last year stick. You know, what was a stick last year is going to be fruit this year, you know, and you got to pay attention to that. But things like fig,
you don't want to end up pruning it.
Yeah, you prune off all your fruit.
Yeah, like, this tree never produces them, but I'm trying to keep it a certain size because of my containment. Well, you're cutting off everything that's going to produce fruit before it ever gets a chance to do so.
Right, and these best for beginner plants. You don't have to trim them at all. You know, you can let them just kind of grow and do their thing, and they'll produce fruit for you. And you can get more fruit if you are pruning a little bit more distinctly, but you got to get a good class about pruning. You know, come out to the Queen Creek Botanical Gardens, learn more about pruning your fruit trees. That's an important piece of the puzzle.